I'm Dawn Dahl. I am 44 years old and I am a realtor. So at one point in my life, I actually developed breast cancer. And I had radiation treatment, which caused some hair loss. I thought the answer at that point in time was to do hair extensions, when actually hair extensions can ruin your hair follicle even more. So my most recent issue with hair loss is a result of having COVID not once, but twice. The first round of COVID, I didn't notice hair loss out of the gate. The second round, it was like the worst experience. I'd be in the shower just pulling clumps of hair out. This is the hair. This is what sent me crying tears. And I know that other women are going through the same thing. And maybe other women are collecting it as a Ziploc baggie, but I had to prove to my doctor that this was really happening to me. Because of my history with cancer, she really told me there's nothing that she could do for me in terms of hair loss. She said, look online, do some Googling. So I actually did a lot of research regarding hair loss and all the products that you could possibly have. I have used just about everything, from vitamins, minerals, topical hair products. I've tried it all, and some has helped, but it didn't solve the hair loss. And it really seems like the only permanent solution is the one that they offer at We Grow Hair. So fortunately for me, I saw the We Grow Hair billboard. I went in for the consultation and they recommended for me laser treatments and a plasma treatment called PRF. I started my hair treatments about 6 months ago. My hair has completely stopped falling out and it's definitely growing back. It is great getting out of the shower and not feeling like I have to hide my hair loss. I've also seen that my hair is overall more shiny and just looks more hydrated and healthy. You have to find a specialist that really knows what they're doing. And it was great for me to actually have confirmation from my doctor that she thought I was on the right path going to We Grow Hair. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a realtor, I'm a fitness coach, I'm a makeup artist. The treatments and the location for the clinic at We Grow Hair is perfect for anybody who's trying to multitask and multi-manage life. If you're watching this, especially if you're a woman, I know you're feeling the same thing that I felt. A little embarrassed, this is more of a guy's problem. Trust me, it's a great solution. Don't be afraid. This is the hair that I lost, and thanks to We Grow Hair, I'm getting my hair back.